Upgrading or replacing the doors in your Crestview home is an excellent way to enhance its curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase security. Whether you are replacing a worn-out front door or installing new patio doors, the process can feel overwhelming if you're not familiar with what's involved. Knowing what to expect during door installation can help you feel confident and ensure a smooth, hassle-free experience. Here's a detailed guide to what you can expect during the door installation process in Crestview. Consultation and door selection. The first step in the door installation process is the consultation. A professional installer will come to your home to assess your current doors and discuss your needs. This is a great opportunity to explore different door options, including materials, styles, and finishes that suit your aesthetic and functional needs. The installer will help you choose the best door for your space based on factors such as material. Choices include wood, fiberglass, steel, and vinyl. Each material has its pros and cons in terms of durability, security, and maintenance. Style. Whether you prefer a traditional panel door, a sleek modern design, or French doors, the installer will help you select a door that complements your home's architecture. Energy efficiency. If energy efficiency is a priority, the installer will discuss insulated doors and other energy-saving options that will help you reduce energy costs. Once you've chosen your new door, the installer will take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit, and you'll agree on a timeline for installation. Scheduling the installation. Once you've made your selections, the next step is to schedule your installation date. The installation timeline will depend on the type and number of doors being replaced. While a standard door installation may take only a few hours, larger or more complex installations, such as sliding glass doors or custom designs, might take a full day or longer. Be sure to confirm the time frame with your installer and prepare your home accordingly. It's helpful to remove any obstacles, such as furniture or plants, near the doors to make it easier for the installation team to work efficiently. Preparation for installation day. On the day of installation, the door installation team will arrive at your home prepared to get to work. Here's what you can expect. Protecting your home. The team will lay down protective coverings over your floors and furniture to catch any dust, debris from the installation process. They may also use plastic sheeting to cover walls or nearby fixtures to protect your home from dust or damage. Door frame inspection. Before installing your new door, the installer will inspect the existing frame to check for damage, moisture, or structural issues that could affect the fit of the new door. If necessary, the team will repair or adjust the frame to ensure the new door fits securely. Removal of the old door. Once everything is prepped, the installation team will begin by carefully removing your old door. This process involves detaching the door from its frame, removing any hardware, such as locks or hinges, and taking out the door frame if it's no longer in good condition. If the old frame is damaged or needs to be replaced, the team will take extra care to remove it without causing further damage to your walls or surrounding areas. The team will dispose of your old door and hardware, so you won't have to worry about cleanup. Installation of the new door. Once the old door and frame are removed, the team will begin installing your new door. This step involves several key actions. Fitting the new door. The team will position the new door in the opening, making sure it aligns properly with the frame. They'll check to ensure it's level and square, which is crucial for the door's smooth operation. Securing the door. Once the door is properly aligned, the installer will secure it in place using high-quality screws or fasteners. This ensures the door is firmly anchored and will function properly for years to come. Sealing and insulation. To prevent drafts, moisture, and dust, the team will apply caulking around the edges of the door and frame. They will also install weather stripping to improve insulation and prevent energy loss, ensuring your new door is both secure and energy efficient. Final adjustments and testing. Once the door is installed, the installer will perform a thorough check to ensure everything functions as expected. This includes testing the door to make sure it opens and closes smoothly, locking mechanisms work properly, and the door is securely mounted. If you've chosen a door with additional features, such as smart locks or impact-resistant glass, the installer will test these features to ensure they're functioning correctly and provide instructions on how to use them. Cleanup and maintenance tips. After everything is installed and tested, the team will clean up the work area, removing any debris and protective coverings. They'll also dispose of any leftover materials, such as packaging or the old door, so your space is left clean and organized. Before leaving, the installer will provide you with maintenance instructions for your new door. Depending on the type of door, this may include cleaning tips, recommendations for checking seals or locks periodically, and advice on how to maintain the door's longevity. Conclusion. The door installation process in Crestview is a simple, straightforward procedure when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation and door selection to removal, installation, and cleanup, the entire process is designed to ensure your new door fits perfectly, looks great, and performs at its best. Whether you're upgrading to enhance your home's curb appeal, security, or energy efficiency, new doors can provide lasting benefits and comfort for your home. Ready to replace your old doors? Contact a trusted local installer in Crestview to get started on transforming your home today.